3, 2, 1. Are you ready?
We're gonna burn it down. We're gonna burn it down. Burn it down. Burn it down. We're gonna burn it down.
You're about to be a savage because you got this from Tina. Welcome to SHOEPERFLY. That's SHOEPER fly. All things Superfly in shoe form, from reviews, news, and most importantly, shoes. Each week I'll present a pair of shoes that I've either certified Superfly or a don't buy. So without further ado,
if you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. Too far. Glitter in the sky, glitter in the eyes, shining just the way we are. I feel like we're forever every time we get together, but whatever, let's get lost on Mars. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. Yeah, 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 yeah. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating you.
Aerosoles is a leading women's footwear brand providing shoes that look great and deliver superior comfort, support, flexibility, and fit at an accessible price, believing that fashion can be functional and that comfort is cool. So while trends come and go, Aerosoles remain unwavering over 3 decades, every single step of the way, given its commitment to quality. So it should be no surprise the Rachie by Aerosoles is yet another developed, high quality, comfortable, and fashion right flat at an affordable price. When seeking fashionable footwear that can bring a whole lot of comfort with a feminine vibe and stylish attitude, then look no further as SHOEPERFLY will deliver it to you. So smash that like button, hit that bell, and subscribe to my channel for the hottest shoes, reviews, and on-feet previews. The Aerosoles Rachie Flat is a flexible construction ensuring ease of movement and endless versatility. The glove Napa leather and quilted padded insoles upgrade the look with a removable and adjustable rhinestone anklet strap, creating a sparkling effect. It is easily removable. Just unclasp. Oh, don't get stuck. Unclasp the anklet with its lobster claw clasp, and there you have it. An embellishment-less flat. Here in a size 8 in the color black leather, this squarish toe flatty is simplicity at its best, with a 1/4 inch heel height, featuring a leather upper with balanced synthetic materials that consist of faux leather lining, a cushioned footbed and rubber sole that offers excellent traction during errand runs or long periods of time on your feet. This picture perfect duo in a medium width cut, originally priced at $115 and now 50% off at $54.99, excluding tax and shipping at aerosoles.com, ranges in sizing from a size 6 to a size 12 in the assorted colors: gunmetal leather, lilac metallic leather, nude leather, green metallic, and blue metallic. The Rachie is also available at DSW stores and online at dsw.com at the sale price of $99, excluding tax and applicable shipping. While the anklet rhinestone is somewhat fragile and a bit limited in adjusting to a tighter fit, the quilted and padded insole are so comfortable. I cannot tell you, for a flat. It's doing big things in a little way. A Dubai and SHOEPERFLY, my superheroes, trust me, they may be understated, but from the little cute bling to the ultra reasonable pricing, you cannot go wrong with these cuties if looking for a little darling flat that's comfortable and chic, versatile yet convenient. Style with just about anything and you're ready, set, go, baby. Remember though, they're flats, so not much arch support here. So consider some inserts if feeling too flat or to ensure integrity of extended hours at work or play on your feet. Now, they're definitely a true fit, and again, comfortable if you're just looking for a simple, basic flat to join with the rest of your SHOEPERFLY footwear. Here's a closer look of the Aerosoles Rachie.
If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I can take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby. My sugar boo, I'm levitating. The Milky Way, we're renegading. I got you, moonlight, you're my starlight. I need you all night. Come on, dance with me. I'm levitating.
Since 1987, Aerosoles has been dedicated to the science and technology of feel-good style, believing that fashion can be functional while comfort be cool. So when the trends come and go, as they typically do, Aerosoles' commitment to quality has remained a must for over 3 decades and unwavering every single step of the way. Currently rebranding itself, broadening its horizon to new audiences, and making some major new changes after a recent bankruptcy, Aerosoles continues to proudly design all its shoes in New York, with some major power helming its creative direction with Mirko Scosia, the newly named creative director for Aerosoles, who was practically born with a shoe in his hand growing up in his father's shoe factory, and whose resume includes work at Bodega Veneta and Belstaff, as well as Tory Burch and Cole Haan. Here's to a brighter future, Aerosol. Well, until next week, smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell so you can get a notification every time I post a video. Period. I'm out. Okay, wait a minute. I'm just gonna do it again.